Today I'll be showing you what I like to call a montage of mini breaks in Thailand. We'll be island hopping in Phuket, walking in the footsteps of none other than Leonardo DiCaprio, swimming with the fishes, having our blood sucked in the jungle, and I'll be doing stuff that no sensible man of my age with a bad hip should be doing. So sit back, enjoy the sun, sand and scenery, click things, ring bells, subscribe, and anything you may say will be taken down in evidence and possibly used in future videos. I thank you. Okay, our first getaway was the Westin Resort Hotel and Spa, which to say the least is a beautiful hotel. Actually, with its 257 rooms and villas, plus swimming pools, restaurants and all the other bits, it's more like a village. And even though it's only 15 minutes from Phuket town, it feels like a long way away from those pesky tourists. And because we went out of season, we almost felt like we had the place to ourselves. It also helped having a 2-bedroom villa with a private plunge pool. And before you start thinking I'm loaded, we got a great deal from someone who knew someone. Or we'd have been kipping on the beach in a hammock with only that friendly dog to protect us. Once we'd settled in, we called for a golf cart and we went off for a buffet breakfast. I didn't eat much. Glass of orange juice, pot of tea, toast, and pretty much all the bacon they had. Then after brekkie, I got a kayak and rode to the gypsy village and back, which was great fun. Here I am on a kayak in the middle of the water. I don't know where I am. Behind me, over here, is the gypsy village, which we're going to have a look at. Later, as evening approached, we got ready for dinner and we took time out to enjoy the stunning view of the Andaman Sea. I suppose in these politically correct times I should call it the Anda-person Sea. We had dinner at East Restaurant with a mix of Thai and Japanese food, loving the fresh sashimi, the meat on a stick, and you could even chew the stick because it was slices of sugarcane, and so sweet. The following morning after brekkie and a quick swim, we went island hopping, which at first did not bode well. Still, we were in good spirits, or should I say, we were recovering from good spirits. I'll let the tour guide explain what happened next.
To our trip today, we got four island for you. That's like the first we are starting from here to the first island. They are Bamboo Island. This Bamboo Island. The first we will stop on the beach. We can relaxing, swim or do snorkeling on this area. It takes time from here to the island about 45 to 50 minutes from here to get there.
Now we're getting on this bus. Probably better to call it a charabang because it's all banged up. Taking us to the gypsy village because the water's too shallow here to get the boat.
We ain't going nowhere!
And 100 yards up the road, the charabang breaks down, which makes us feel seriously uncomfortable about getting in one of their boats. Thailand's not famous for its safety regulations. I'm not 100% sure about this. There's 20 people getting on that boat. Just so long as I get a life jacket, thank you very much. Lovely beach, but if you don't like creepy crawlies, be careful where you step. Still, this was a beautiful little bugger. Sorry, bug.
And after that, we will take it to Pipila. We will take the boats for snorkeling.
And snorkel we did. But first we fed a couple of snorkelers to a large shoal of piranha fish. Alright, they weren't piranha fish. It was like snorkeling in an exotic fish tank, all the beautiful fish all dressed up in the best clothes, as if they were showing off. But you have to watch out for the sea urchins because those spikes are barbed, and if you get one of them stuck in your foot, you can't get the bloody spikes out. I was having a great time until I spotted a conger eel poke its head out of the rock and got out of there sharpish, for no particular reason.
And next we will take it to Monkey Beach. That's Monkey Beach.
We didn't get off the boat at Monkey Beach because we were told that the monkeys might nick our beers.
And then we will take you to Pipila Island. At Pipila Island, we visit at Viking Cove and Pipila Cove. This area we do like sightseeing or take photo in this area. And then we will stop on the beach, on the Maya Beach, on the Maya Bay. The way where the shots are the movie.
Yeah, the beach yeah.
Movie.
Leonardo
DiCaprio.
Yeah. On the way to Phi Island, we were shown a cave where the locals get birds' nests for birds' nest soup. Yum yum. Then we arrived at the beach, where they filmed the beach, and we walked in Leonardo DiCaprio's footsteps. Lovely beach, as were all of them. But it's closed now because the tourists turned it into a garbage tip.
And after this, we will take you to Khao Yai for lunch. And after that, we will bring you to this island. As we got change the boat at here to back to Phuket.
Okay.
We have changed the boat at here to back to Phuket. You will arrive here nearly 4:30, about 4:20.
When we got back, we watched another amazing sunset, and believe me, I haven't enhanced the film. Our next mini break was to Khao Yai National Park, where there was a chance you could run into poisonous snakes, wild elephants, and some even say tigers, though no tigers have been spotted in the last 20 years, so they're either really good at hiding or there ain't none. Still, you really have to watch out for the highly dangerous cliffs. And there is Kevin, as we speak, standing near the gliss. And not forgetting a lot of nasty little bleeders. Fortunately, I had leech repellent with me. Leech repellent, right?
No.
The problem is if you pull it off,
it leaves
its things inside.
See, cigarettes are not always bad for you.
Ow, fuck, that hurts.
It's coming.
Till we go back.
Ow, shit, blow the bloody leech.
Come on, you bastard. I'm actually touching my own leg with it.
I know, it's scary.
Can you blow it off, Kev?
Yeah.
Blow it.
Into the bush.
Yeah, you see? I can feel it. Oh, good one.
Our jungle trek was cut short because of the oncoming storm, and you don't want to be stuck in a Thai thunderstorm in the middle of a jungle, as you'll see. Started to rain, but it's not heavy yet. We're heading back to the hotel and spotted this roadblock. It turns out that what's happened is there's a tree and it's been uprooted in the rain and it's fallen right across the road and it's hit that power line on the way down. The major problem is the power lines here.
You see where the wires are all crossed over, that's where it's going.
So it means that we might have to go back
55 kilometers, it's back to Nakhon where we stayed last time.
Because the guys who are supposed to be getting this out of the way say it's going to take a long time. So we might not be going to the winery. But we did make it to Khao Yai Winery about an hour later, so not so bad. So these are Shiraz, these are the vines. It's September now. They come out in October, is it, Kev?
By late October all the fruit is formed and then it will ripen for harvest in late February, early March. They trim at the end of the rainy season, which is in late October, to ensure that if there's any damaged fruit it's removed.
The casks that you're looking at are imported from France. They sell 600,000 to 1 million bottles a year to the Japanese market. So the grapes go in there. They go all the way up there.
The grapes fall out of these holes and then at the bottom and drop between the two wheels, so they're crushed.
And go into there. This is the fermenting room. We got that pungent vinegary smell again. There are actually 10,000 litres of something red in there. This is oak. You can use them for 20 years, and the oak has been imported from Italy. 590 per bottle, and it is
Chenin Blanc, 2007 Reserve Chenin Blanc, their premium white wine. I like the Perron Shiraz. That would be my favourite as a red wine drinker. It's a medium body red.
I like the first white wine.
That's this one.
Yeah. And I like the last red one.
The last red one. And over here, that's a teepee. And you can actually rent the teepee for 2 people, supposed to be very luxurious. That's the Hornbill restaurant. We've been trying to order dinner for about the last hour, and we've all just decided. After a late large lunch, we decided to go back and work it off at the hotel's obstacle course. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holy piece of fish! Holy crap! Oh, shut up! Oh.
Don't make me laugh.
Well done, brother. By Jove, I think I'd shit myself. I think I've cacked in my trousers somewhat. I may have done a poo.
On.
Where's the champagne? We want the champagne. Where's the champagne? So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the trip, and don't forget to look out for more exciting adventures on Living the Thai Life. I'll be back. Today I'm going to take you on a montage of mini breaks in Thailand. We'll be going somewhere and then somewhere else. Hiya.